Rajpushpa Properties is a real estate developer, and our main focus is on residential property development. And we are in under residential. We have apartments and villas.
How are you guys communicating with your customers on WhatsApp? And how has IOLabs been able to help you with that?
First, we associated with you guys through Floxen, and after that Telephant. Yes, you guys did well in terms of giving us all those features where I will not be depending on you guys for reaching out to my own property seekers. In that aspect, IOLab helped us a lot. And with this tool in hand, I'm reaching out to number of people just one click.
Do you have any sort of numbers or maybe some sort of return of investment rate that you started seeing since you start using Telephant? And is there some sort of number that you could share with us?
And as a marketing person, we have reached out to them via Telephant communication. That's a WhatsApp communication, and we see out of 10,000 leads what we have sent messages, we got tremendous response, like 70% seen response. And then at least whenever we do any number of campaign, then at least 10% turned up, and they started questioning us like where is this project location, what's the price.
Right.
They wanted to know more details, and they wanted to schedule site visit like that.
Could you tell us a bit about how your experience has been working with the IOLabs team?
Overall, it was really good. And I starting from Varun, Suhas, Ajit and Ashish, I good job guys. You did all of you have done wonderful job in terms of execution. And whenever I had any challenges in terms of WhatsApp, communicating through WhatsApp, you guys have stepped up and then resolved my issue. It's all because of the trust what you guys have created. With that it gave us result also. With that data backing up, and results are coming in, we went ahead with another WhatsApp. That itself shows how you are instrumental in last quarter.